Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory, guys, at southernmotors.com. Today we are going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Super nice car, guys. I bought this car locally. Actually, the gentleman who owned this car, who's owned this car since 1990, unfortunately has passed away. I purchased the vehicle from his son, but very cool history, a ton of documentation. I really hope whoever gets this car appreciates this car for what it is, number one, and keeps it in the condition that it is. The gentleman who owned this car was the president of Michigan's Mustang Club for multiple years. Again, he's owned this car since 1990. The car is restored back to 100% original, exactly the way it would have come out of the factory. Again, ton of documentation. This is the original color. It's vintage burgundy with a parchment interior. And there's not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on this car. You can see the car, it's got 57,000 original miles. If you want to nitpick some of the trim, you can, but very, very nice car, very well maintained, and again, restored back to 100% original. 289 C-Code, 2-barrel car. Again, very cool history. I'm not a sticker guy. Normally I take this stuff off, but I really believe it's part of the car, so I left it on there, and I'll let the new owner kind of decide what they want to do with it. Slick paint. I did not see a whole lot you could really nitpick. Ford Motor Company paid him to have this car on display at the Glass House here, the world headquarters. Multiple show winner. We've got a lot of that stuff in the trunk here when we open this up. Ton of documentation. Original window sticker, the build sheet. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich Silvertown bias ply white letters on it with the factory correct wheel covers or wire covers. Stock single exhaust. Again, the car only has 57,000 original miles on it. And again, the son, great guy. We've got his contact information that will go to the next owner. He said he'd love to hear from whoever buys the vehicle, so we can kind of, keep in touch with the car. Here's a little scratch there. Again, factory C-Code 289 2-barrel car, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers on it. Factory air, the air does work. It's going to need a charge. We'll have one of our guys come out and do that. Power steering, manual drum brakes. I think it's a C6 automatic trans. Again, stock dual exhaust, just like it would have came out of the factory. That's what he did this car as. Just a neat little bit of history. Car's been on a couple of different racetracks for car show days. MIS 1, Michigan International Speedway, and Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the car's also been on. Great looking car, runs and drives excellent. Like I say, just a nice car. I guess a lot of guys knew Frank. I personally did not know him. Sounds like just a super guy. Again, president of the Michigan Mustang Club for multiple years. Really cool car. and very well maintained. Bucket seats, it's got the full leg console, factory Rally Pac gauges, I guess those were dealer installed. $57,251 on your odometer. Even a little car goes with it. Factory air car or dealer installed air is what that actually was. Stock AM radio. Again, factory dual exhaust, factory I think 280 rear end. And this is what's impressive when you get in here and you just see all the documentation, everything that he's kept on this car. Show board that goes with it, of course, spare with jack, and then I mean there's just so much. We kind of try to spread it out so you could see it. All the service manuals, owner's manuals. This is an award that he won. Build sheet, Protecto plate. This is all the window sticker. This is a Ford manual, like a line manual, as the thing came down the line. Again, here's pictures of the car. Can't remember what track that is, but he had it at the Dearborn assembly plant. I think there's pictures in front of the glass house. Yeah, there's pictures in front of the glass house. Awesome car, man. Very cool car. Pretty color combination. Well, I can't get that on there straight. There we go. Car's very nice underneath. Just really an outstanding representative for 1965. If you're looking for a car that really looks like you just stepped back in time and drove it off the dealership line or dealership floor, that's exactly what this car is. Little Ertl car goes with it. It's pretty cool. Even the clock on your Rally Pac gauges work. Full length console. Oh shoot, lost my hat. Good. 8-pillar chrome's really nice. Again, just a little baby doll. The air does work. He's got the air on, but it's going to need a charge. This is a pretty car. Yeah, knocked my head off. Rally gauges work. Backup lights work. Really just a nice car. Factory AM radio works. Hit and finish is really nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. It really changes every single day. You can do that by going to our website, checking out our social media pages, our Facebook, our Instagram. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pretty car, man. Pretty color combo, really nice paint. Whole lot to like about that car. And again, just a ton of history. Have a great day, guys.